So what is Flipgrid? Flipgrid is an online tool that is free to both educators and students. It is a way for students to respond to given prompts through the use of video. Flipgrid website, flipgrid.com, is free and easy to navigate and very engaging for students. Students log on to the website, read or view the prompt prepared by their teacher, and then they record their response through adding response. Once students are done recording, it takes them to the new screen that allows them to add stickers and captions to their photos, which is highly engaging for most students. At the end, students take a selfie, decorate it to fit whatever they please, and they submit it to the website. Once it's submitted, their classmates are able to view their responses and they can respond to them by replying. This is a fun, free, engaging way to increase student agency in the classroom.